wanna feel cold in the morning, stealing covers off of me, and I don't even need.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys one of the healthiest breakfasts, your go-to if you're on a weight loss journey and you want to eat healthy without stressing yourself. It is called the overnight oat, and it's a very simple and yummy, delicious recipe anyone can try. So first off, I will list out the ingredients we need. Number one on that list is the mason jar. The mason jar is what will be used to store up the overnight oats and also mix in all the ingredients as well. If you don't have a mixing jar, you can use any other bowl or any other storing jar you have in the house. Another thing on the list is the Greek yogurt. See guys, I love this particular brand of yogurt. It's not too sugary and also it gives you an amazing taste. So if you want your overnight oat to come out very milky and creamy, this yogurt or any other brand of yogurt is what you will need. Another thing to add to the list is the almond milk. Guys, this brand of almond milk is also one of my favorite. Calories level for this brand is very low. So if you're on a healthy diet and you still want to enjoy drinking milk as well, then try this brand of almond milk and you won't regret it. See guys, another thing for this almond milk is the fact that the quantity of sugar in this almond milk is actually very little because it's an unsweetened milk, so you don't have to bother your head about sugar. But the best thing about it is that you get to still enjoy the taste of milk while watching your calories. Another thing on the list is your oats, which is the major ingredient. See guys, I love to use this very brand. Their oat is made of whole grain oats, meaning that it's not too processed, even though you get to cook it in 1 minute, but at the end of the day you get to enjoy all the nutrients that comes with drinking oatmeal. Guys, this is one of the best brand, and the fact that it's even very affordable, then you get the best out of it. That's one thing I love the most about this brand. So moving forward to the next thing on the list is your chia seed. Guys, the reason why a lot of people add chia seed to their oat is the fact that it is a soluble fiber seed, which means that it absorbs more water. So for every time you eat chia seed, it keeps you full, by preventing you from having the urge to eat more food. This is one of the reasons why I love it. See guys, but the amazing thing is that you can't eat chia seed alone, you have to soak it in water. Next on our list are the toppings. I love coconuts. Coconuts are my absolute favorite crunchy things to eat, and I love to put them in my oats. They contain a lot of nutrients which are good for the skin, for the hair, and for your general well-being. I love coconuts, and they are everywhere, like you can find them everywhere, so why not get started on the coconut? Next on my list is grapes. Like now I can't overemphasize my love for grapes, so it makes the list of my toppings. Another thing on my list is kiwi. Guys, see, this contain a whole lot of vitamin C, and which are good for your body, your skin, your health. In fact, if you don't know anything about kiwi, you need to get to Google so you just find out what kiwi does for the body. So I'll be adding it as one of my toppings as well. Guys, I'm explaining everything in details here because I'm a firm believer that I am not one to eat for eating's sake. I eat for the benefit. So that's why I take my time to explain what this thing does to our bodies and why I love them. So now let's get straight to mixing together everything here in our mason jar. Quickly, let's get it going.
I wanna feel cold in the morning, stealing covers off of me, and I don't even need a warning, cause girl I won't go back to sleep. I just wanna feel you on my chest, savoring each breath. I wanna drink wine in the evening, singing all our favorite songs. And I don't need to chase a feeling, cause you already knocked the edge off. And I just wanna dance around the room, loving only you. Oh, every imperfection, every scar, not a thing could change the person you are. My lover, baby, you'll always be perfect to me. I wanna stay home on the weekend when all our friends are going out, cause I don't see the need for speaking when you can just kiss me with your mouth. I don't need to try and pass the time, cause it's already flying by. I wanna be close when you need me, but no one else could understand. And when we have a house and a family, I'll still hold on to your hand. I'll still look you in the eyes like the first time. Oh, every imperfection, every scar, not a thing could change the person you are. My lover, baby, you'll always be perfect to me. Oh, every conversation, easy or hard, not a word could ever tear us apart. My lover, baby, you'll always be perfect to me. And when I see you in the morning, I wanna kiss your lips, I wanna hold on tightly until the daylight ends. I wanna love you in the evening until the next day comes. And every single moment I wanna love you more.